one lights glow in the dark of the room. Fresh bill ready, yeah, it's booting up soon. Glass panels shining, cables tight and clean. Corsair 5000D, mean machine on the scene. Heartbeat humming when the fans start to spin. MSI X870E-PRO got the power within. No lag, no limits, this rig's alive. Built for the grind and the late night drive. Silicone dreams running deep in the core. When the system wakes up, you can feel the roar. AMD 9900X lighting up the night. RTX 5070 pushing frames to the sky. 2 terabyte M.2's blazing like a race inside that Corsair 5000D case. Boot it up, let the RGB show. This machine got the power to glow. From the first full speed to the final play, this custom rig gonna lead the way. Oh, speed like lightning when the data flows. Games loading fast, everybody knows. 2 1 terabyte drives running side by side. No waiting, no slowing, just a turbo ride. Clock speeds rising like a rocket launch. Every benchmark hit with a heavy punch. From editing clips to the battlefield grind, this build right here is one of a kind. Fans whisper cool while the toms stay low. Frames so smooth like a cinematic show. Every pixel sharp, every shadow bright. This rig was built for the gamer's fight. AMD 9900X burning bright inside. RTX 5070 going for the ultra ride. Dual M.2 drives flying through the race in that sleek Corsair 5000D case. Power, speed, yeah, the future's here. Custom PC running crystal clear. From the first boot screen to the victory play, this monster rig gonna dominate the day. Da 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 da. Oh, fans whisper cool while the tones stay low. Frames so smooth like a cinematic show. Every pixel sharp, every shadow bright. This rig